struggling with facial hairs, you are not alone. Whether it's your chin, upper lip, or your jawline, this problem affects so many women silently. Facial hair is not just a cosmetic issue, it is a message from your body about a deeper hormonal imbalances. Today, I will help you understand the real reason and share 100% natural remedies from Ayurveda and nutrition that work for me and many others. Now, first, I will tell you about the real cause. If your body is producing too much testosterone or your estrogen level is low, facial hair increases. In PCOS, the ovaries make extra androgens. Also, high sugar intake spikes insulin, which tells your body to make more male hormones. And stress, it silently increases cortisol and make everything worse. Yes. So here I am sharing some of the best working natural remedies that have worked wonderful for me and for many other women in slowing down the facial hair problem and also hairs on various other parts of your body. So number one remedy which I'm going to share with you is the introduction of spearmint tea in your diet. Yes, 2 cups daily reduces testosterone naturally. What you have to do, you just have to boil spearmint leaves in water, strain and sip. Continue for at least 21 days and you will see drastic difference in your skin pigmentation. Within 21 days, we're going to see a visible difference in your skin pigmentation and in your skin texture also. Overall, your facial hair growth, which you have hard, pokey, long hairs, that tends to decline within 21 days. Do not expect magical results overnight. This process will take time, as the results that you are having nowadays with hard, pokey hairs is a result from many years. Yes, you have been continuously harming your body internally, and the results are here in front of you that you are having unwanted facial hairs. Okay, do not worry, the things will get settled down with time. Please give time to all these remedies, but one thing I'm very sure that these remedies works. Yes, you need to be very patient and you need to be a long time marathon worker in order to reduce your facial hairs. Okay, let's proceed to remedy number 2, and that is licorice root, that is mullety. Yes, mullety helps balance your hormones. It will help in improving your skin complexion. It will help in balancing your testosterone. Now, what you have to do is to add 1/4 tablespoon of warm water or mix any herbal tea blend, and you have to add mullety licorice root powder in it. Stir it well and drink it like your regular teas. Okay, you can take this tea, both the teas, spearmint tea and licorice tea, twice a day. Okay, maybe after your lunch or one after your dinner. Okay, now the third remedy, and that is a powerhouse, will not only going to balance your testosterone, but it will also work on your estrogen levels. Yes, third and the magical seed is flax seeds. It is also called hormone modulator, right? Now, what you have to do is, what you have to take 1 tablespoon of flax seeds daily in your smoothies, in your dahi. One thing that you have to remember is that you do not have to consume it whole. As it is, you do not have to consume it. You have to dry roast them, make powder of it, store it in a jar, and then you have to use it in your smoothies, in your dahi, in your chas, in your salad toppings. There's so many ways, right? And what flax seeds is going to do, it will going to balance your androgen and support estrogen hormones, right? Now, in the remedy number 4, I'm going to share with you an Ayurvedic blend that you have to take morning empty stomach. What you have to do is you have to take half tablespoon of Shatavari churna and 1/4 tablespoon of Ashoka churna, right? You have to add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric and pinch of black pepper inside it, so that the power of turmeric multiplies many a times. You have to take this concoction, this blend, every day for 40 days with lukewarm water first thing in the morning, and you will going to see magical results in your facial hair problem. Now, in the third part of this video, I'm just quickly telling you the diet and lifestyle changes that you have to incorporate along with these magical drinks. Number 1 is your complex carbs. Aapko lene hai. You have to consume complex carbs, like you can take rice, you can take millets. You have to take vitamin C a lot in your diet, which includes amla, which includes lemon, which includes sea buckthorn. You have to incorporate healthy fats in your diet. Coconut and ghee would work wonders. You have to consume cinnamon and fenugreek soap water, which will balance your insulin, right? And the things that you have to avoid is, on the top of everything is your sugar. You have to completely cut off with the sugar. Second thing is your dairy products, milk, paneer, everything. Third one is your refined oils. And fourth one is your packaged foods. Everything you just have to stop when you are under the transformation process. Okay. Now, a very quick review about my morning routine, which I used to have is, first, I used to take hormonal balance tea, which I have just shared with you. Then I take up pranayam for approximately 15 to 30 minutes every day without fail. In the afternoon, I take flax seeds with lunch, and at night, early dinner. Most importantly, I do not forget to take chamomile tea, which is a hormone balancing tea, body calming tea, and it will help wonders in your magical sleep. Now, in the end, I would like to share some of my thoughts that facial hair in your body is your body's cry for balance, not a reason to feel ashamed. Don't just remove it externally, heal it from within. I hope this video helped you understand your body better. Comment balance if you are starting this routine. Subscribe for more healing beauty tips that works from the inside out. And don't forget to share this with a sister or friend who needs it. I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.